Hey guys, how's it going? This is Daanesh from GN Tech, and today we are unboxing the TP-Link Deco X60. This is the latest and greatest in mesh networking for large houses. As you can see, it's ideal for 4 to 7 bedrooms and covers, or rather they claim that it covers an area of up to 7,000 square feet. So let's just begin by opening the box up. Alright, so inside the box, we've got the 3 main decos. All right, now these are definitely relatively larger units compared to the previous models. So for example, the ones that I have are the Deco M9 Plus, and those are about just that much. But on the overall, doesn't look bad or anything like that. Looks really neat. I'm guessing there's light on inside there. You've got TP-Link branding on here. You've got 2 gigabit ports, the power port, and if I'm not wrong, all of them have gigabit ports. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, but like I said, they're pretty simple. They're bulky for sure, but not that we have to carry them around, but like they feel solid. So that's good. What else we have here? Inside here, I'm going to guess we have all the extra wiring. Yeah, so it's 3 of them. You've got 3 sets of power bricks and the cabling necessary for each of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's, I guess, as simple as it is. Setup is next, so let's check that out. We've got the deco connected, and look for a deco, position it, and that's it. It'll optimize the network. And you can add more decos from here if you want. So that's quick basic unboxing and setup of the X60s. We'll be checking more out on the devices as time goes by. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.